My is300. She's in need of some TLC, some tender, loving care. First, we're going to start with the ECU. I gotta solder some wires back together because people love to build power the wrong way. There were two devices that were piggybacking off the ECU and some other, I guess, downgrades, as others would say, because I would like to go back to stock airbox. I want to go back to stock. Yes, because she's a beauty, even in stock form. Don't worry about the ugly tires. Currently, they are on the box. She has some new ones. Ooh. But anyway, first things first. I must solder wires back together. Oh, yes. At this point, I'd already cut the two pieces out that were piggybacking off the ECU. I also have the catalytic converter I bought. Like I said, OEM with a plus though. All right. Soldering is complete. And for the pieces that I took out, here's a picture of one of them. And all it does is just piggybacks off the ECU by tricking it. It manipulates its airflow, fuel ignition, and timing. And for the second chip, it pretty much did the same thing. It just manipulated the O2 sensor bank too to trick it, because you have to do that when you delete your cats. All done there. And by done, I mean hearing her start once again. Next step to demodding the car is installing this dirty airbox. And this is the old SRT intake, hot air intake. Now that everything is almost back to OEM, my next step is to rebuild the engine and clean up some of this engine bay. The car has a lot of miles on it, and I want it to last for many, many years more. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next upcoming video of me possibly rebuilding the 2JZ.